I think about artificial intelligence, I think about computers taking over rudimentary tasks that used to be tedious and making it easier in our lives going forward. So rudimentary tasks like data entry, like image recognition, over time we expect computers to take up more of that processing so that humans can be left to do higher level tasks like thinking about strategies and things like that. Image recognition right now, I think a computer, its accuracy at image recognition is anything above 98 to 99%. But if you look at things like natural language processing is still at the very early stages, and there are still business use cases that can be used for natural language processing. An example I give is that if you're a manager of a sales team and you want to know who your top sales guys over the last 3 months, instead of you going into the system and pulling that data yourself, you can kind of tell a natural language processing engine, please pull up the data for my top sales guys over the last 3 months, and that chart will come up within like by itself, just because the computer will be able to understand you. Natural language processing is 10 times the processing that you need for image recognition. So if we think about that being the next big wave, there's obviously a lot of investment in the data centers that are required to do that stuff in the future. The key, I think, is that the amount of data you have. So if I look at industrial companies that can apply AI to their processes, so those products will improve because of the AI that will be implemented, and that's because they've got the data sets. So it's not just the technology companies, but it's across the board. I think about a company using artificial intelligence to decrease the time to market for new products. So they'll be able to use data sets that they're getting from customers to understand those data sets much quicker and to release new products at a quicker rate. AI should touch every industry. I think we're very early in AI adoption. When I look at the companies who are at the forefront, there are a lot of bigger internet companies, but I believe that across the board, everything from a bank to retailer will adopt what AI is being used for in the future.